Hey, it's Jacob here with another Lansweeper pro tip. What I want to talk about this time is software version drift. Now, what is software version drift? Simply put, software version drift is when you have a piece of software that has drifted from your baseline. You have 10 with this version, 5 assets with that version, just version after version all over the place. Now, how did this happen? I have a theory here. I'm probably not far off, but every piece of software, it seems, has its own auto update capability. It's a great feature that keeps things up to date, security fixes, and everything like that. The problem is, as you know, not all of them work all the time. Some update late, some don't update at all. And what happens is your assets will now drift out of compliance. You'll have 7 different versions of Chrome, 3 different versions of Edge. It happens, it causes a lot of headache, and it causes a lot of vulnerabilities. So what do you do about it? Well, the first thing is visualizing it. So fortunately, I want to share something. Lansweeper has BI dashboards now, and you can make charts and graphs to quickly see your drift. And this has helped me immensely in keeping things up to date. And keeping things up to date, keeping your software versions at the latest version is the number one way to reduce your vulnerability list. The number of criticals, the number of 0 days that are floating around because Chrome decided to update again. And lo and behold, there's another 0 day. Thank you, Chrome. Appreciate that. So I digress. Back to BI dashboards. Now, I made a dashboard, which I will share how I did it in the blog article. But right here, you see a software version sprawl dashboard that I made. And right here, you can see just at a glance that my environment, my Chrome has gotten out of hand. My Edge, it looks like, has gone on its own and done its own thing. And also my VMware tools that I have VMware tools that auto update. Apparently, a lot of them didn't auto update like they should. And right here, you can make bar charts that tell you the number of versions of any particular piece of software. To the right, you can have a pivot table where you can quickly see. You can search for any software. You can see the number of assets and the versions of the software. And you can filter, and it will show you down here the assets that are the results for the filtering. Now, I find this incredibly helpful, and this is all due to just the BI dashboards. You can quickly take a look, and you can quickly see that, hey, you got a lot of work to do. Your auto updates have gone out of control. They've gotten out of hand. And the neat thing is, with Flow Builder, our integration platform, with Flow Builder, you can integrate with your compliance management tool of choice. You can integrate with Intune to patch these. You can integrate with AutoMox, with PDQ. You can integrate with Action 1. Anything that has an API that manages your endpoints, you can integrate with to take care of this version drift. And that's the powerful thing. With BI dashboards, you can visualize it. And with Flow Builder, you can automate and integrate and remediate that drift. Now, I will show you in future videos how to actually use Flow Builder to integrate with endpoint management applications to grab information, not just remediate, but to get status, to get endpoint status, to know what is missing an Intune agent, what is missing an AutoMox agent, because maybe that's why your versions have drifted. Many reasons, but I can show you, and now with Flow Builder and BI dashboards, you can tackle this easily. And that's it. Told you it'd be a short and sweet pro tip for the end of the year. Use Flow Builder, BI dashboards, get a hold of your software version drift. Make your whole life easier, your vulnerabilities go away. Have a great holiday season. I will see you on the next one. Bye.